What up, YouTube? D4G here, man. I was waiting on this one for a while, man. This bitch don't gotta be this big, fam. This bottle got some nice weight to it. Oh yeah, this is nice, man. This is nice. Now, I will say this. What up, YouTube? D4G here, banging out another video. Y'all know what time it is, man. It's First Impression Friday. I got a package in the mail. I'm ready to talk about this fragrance, man. I've had my eye on this one for a while, so y'all already know what to do, man. Let's get it. So look, before we even get started, I gotta do the YouTube thing, man. Shout out to all my new subscribers. Welcome. If you're new, over here on this side of YouTube, we talk about FFL, football, fragrance, lifestyle. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, as well as the bell notification so that you can be updated anytime we drop this content. And to all my OG subscribers out there, salute, fam. Hope everything is good with you, man. Y'all already know what it is, man. It's First Impression Friday. I got a package from, alright, I think I ordered this one from Joman's shop. But I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all, man. I had already opened it up, man. I was waiting on this one for a while, man. I had my eye on this fragrance for a minute. And the fragrance we're talking about today is Magnificent by Armaf. Let's talk about it. Alright, first of all, man, presentation on this is dope. But I'm gonna tell you right now, once you see the bottle, this bitch don't gotta be this big, fam. They really could have shrunk down on it a little bit. But it's a dope looking bottle though, man. Nice setup. Very nice setup. Now let me show y'all the bottle real quick. Opens up like so. And the bottle sits in there. Now look at all this damn room in here for how small this bottle is. Like, it's a good bottle, don't get it twisted. The bottle is dope. Like, this is a nice bottle. But I don't think that container had to be that big. Check this out, man. Look at the front of the bottle, man. The design, the gemstone, the lettering of Magnificent right there. Like, man, this is a dope presentation from Armaf. And it actually has the batch code number on the bottom. I know how much y'all like that. Batch code number is 349491. For anybody that's curious. But yeah, man, let's go ahead and check out the fragrance, see what the juice hitting on. I think I'm gonna grab a tester strip for this one. I tell y'all this all the time. Damn, man, I was getting the strip, bro. This bottle got some nice weight to it, and this cap is pretty damn heavy too. Like, this is a sturdy bottle, man, for real. But you know what you gotta do whenever you get a Middle Eastern fragrance? Spray that bitch up, get that shit up out of there. Gotta get the alcohol out of there, man. I already smell it right now. Lord have mercy. Okay. Not a bad atomizer. Not bad. Not pressurized, nothing. It just like shoots out the spray, so it's alright. So the first two things I'm picking up is I'm getting a citrus note and I'm getting a earthiness. Now it's more on the woody type of earthy, but it's still like a patchouli, cedar, you know, it's like an earthy type of smell, but you get hit with a lot of citrus up top. Yeah, a lot of citrus is up top, almost like a bergamot, grapefruit type citrus. I think I'm picking up like an apple, like a green apple note. But the two main things that I was getting up top initially was the citrus factor, which is like a bergamot grapefruit combo, and then at the bottom it was also like a earthy type of smell that I was getting. So it was very like woody, like I said, patchouli, cedar, along those lines of what I was getting in the initial opening. Okay, I think I'm getting like a little bit of a spice too, like a soft spice, nothing too crazy. Yeah, I'm definitely getting some spice now. I kind of want to spray this again. Let me spray this on my wrist. I don't think I've ever sprayed on wrist when I was doing one of these. Let me see what I get on skin real quick. Oh yeah, definitely citrus. Grapefruit, bergamot type of citrus. The spices on skin, I can smell the spices a lot more clearer than I can coming off the strip. And that apple note is good. That apple note is definitely a lot louder when you spray it on skin compared to on strip. Because like I said, on strip I was mainly getting citrus and earthy notes. When I spray it on skin, the citrus is coming out a lot more. The apple note is definitely louder. The spices is a lot more clear than what I was getting on the tester strip as well. Oh yeah, this is nice, man. This is nice. Now I will say this. I need to look up and see what this might be, a replica clone inspired by, because it's giving me cues and hints of Pure Access Night, but not exactly. Like similar DNA, but without the super sweetness that Pure Access Night has. So I'm gonna have to look into this real quick. Okay, so that makes sense now. Armaf Magnificent is a clone inspired by Pure Access by Paco Rabanne, the original, not the Night, not Black, just original Pure Access. That's what this is replicating. Now this is nice. Now I'm curious to know how much Pure Access costs, because Armaf Magnificent is around $30, and then Pure Access, I don't know. I could imagine that one being around 60, 70. If it's around that much, that close, would y'all rather pay the 30 for Armaf Magnificent or Pure Access? Just a question I wanted to ask. I just want to ask that question. But yeah, man, this is dope, man. I like this pickup. Right now, it's kind of hard to see what season I can see this being in. I can see it being in a high heat season, so like spring and summer, yes. With me being in Texas, fall, I can. But wintertime, I don't know, man. This might be a three-headed monster, but I don't know if it's the 4-figure season yet. I don't know if it's the full 4. Yeah, man. I'm even getting like a little bit of a musk smell coming out now as it's sitting there lingering a little bit. This is dope. I rocks with this. Yeah. I'm rocking with this pickup. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this whole presentation, because like I said, this big ass container is, I don't know, man. The bottle itself looks nice though, so I might just keep the bottle, and we might just go from there. But that's gonna be the video right there, man. Let me know down in the comment section if y'all have this and y'all have smelled Pure Access. Do they smell similar? Because I am getting a little bit of Pure Access DNA in this. If it smells exactly like Pure Access, that I don't know. Because I'm getting my DNA from Pure Access Night, whereas this one's more of just a regular Pure Access. So if you have both of them, let me know down in the comment section what you think and where this ranks as far as your Armaf fragrances. But with all that being said, man, we about to get up out of here. I hope y'all have a great day. I hope y'all have a phenomenal day. Stay on your square, stay on your purpose. Don't let nobody take you off of it, man. D4G, truly blessed, destined for greatness. We out.